boys?
Yeah, on you go.
Still on straight, yeah?
Yeah.
Obviously disappointing clutch that one.
The rust just coming off. Safety squints. About another couple of mil here. That'll be fine. We'll back off from there. Right, okay, put that through to you.
Chisel them out. That's exactly what I said. Crash, you get him back in 10 seconds. What's wrong with you? On video, isn't it?
What's the last thing we want if someone goes and air chisels it out and then blames us that the new bush doesn't fit because they've damaged the axle. And then we're in a whole problem.
Take that.
Yeah, I'll take that off again. There you go.
Well, yeah, I thought we just never really advertised it. Where? Like I say, I did a blog. So yeah, I'm not sure I'm aware. I didn't order it under there.
Already there.
Get the spanner back on it. I hate adjusting the spanners. There you go, that's probably
yeah. Do you want to square it back up again, yeah? How are we looking?
a little bit more. Shouldn't take a lot.
No, there's no real force to this, it's just... They betray themselves and that, and really, they're fucking knobheads, you know?
There's that one called Flick and Banger, isn't it? Got Will and...
Yeah.
Will work for cars as well. It's weird because I was watching.
Okay. Awesome.
Sorry, Matt, not straight.
Can't even get tap it through, can you?
Can you get that one in?
Can I get in between there?
Yeah.
I'll try.
So you need to look at it.
Yeah, it does. Okay, so we're under our Nissan Primastar, which we fitted front bushes to last year, our kit. This year we've now fitted the rear axle bushes to it. So while we're here, we're going to take a look at the bushes we fitted about a year ago now. So the biggest ones, the biggest failure point in these vehicles are the front subframe bushes, tucked up in here. Still, they're a bit dirty, but apart from that, they're both looking really, really nice in here. And then we've got our front wishbone bushes, a bit difficult to see, tucked up under here. We might be able to see them from outside. So you've got, tucked in here, the back bush. Again, the front bush is a little bit more difficult to see, but they're all looking really, really good condition. So happy with the progress these have went through. And we'll give you an update on the rear axle bushes, given time.